Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate vacation mode on Etsy. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and go on vacation, but you're running an Etsy store. How do you actually go ahead and activate vacation mode on Etsy? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Etsy. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon, then click on Account Settings. Now on this option here, on the left hand side, click on Settings again, then click on Options. And then this is where you're going to see the tab called Vacation Mode. Go ahead and click on Vacation Mode, and then here is where you can actually go ahead and turn on Vacation Mode. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and activate vacation mode on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.